This dude's such a liar. Say it again. Next people what?
The next 5 people that follow me on Instagram at _JustCode797, you get a free entry for the car and the payments.
You win the car and the payments. Y'all heard me.
Okay, I'm going to attempt to drown myself. You can try this at home. You can be just like me.
Oh, you gonna shot? They got 40 in here.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah, they got 40.
They got all kind of. That's hard though.
You like them?
Yeah. They decent. Kind of walk home.
Homeless sock. They got floaters on here.
Oh yeah, the dub floaters.
Nasty rims.
Oh, that's you know that's going on the dually.
That's bad.
Hell yeah.
You know you got money.
That too. Hell yeah.
Oh,
that's gonna be floater caps.
Yeah.
That's hard. That's hard.
Look at this.
My motorcycle was loud. Oh, got the 4G. Got the, oh, this is hard too. God dog. What's these 87s?
Man, I bet I can find a number before you do. These are 58s.
Nah, they're like 30s, right?
These are 32s.
32s?
Damn.
CJ on 32s? That's what he be riding on. Yeah, that's crazy.
Hey, big at Morgianos right here. These are like, I'm pretty sure this is like what, 28? Maybe a 30?
Yeah, I think it's what, 28? Got the big caddy spokes on here.
I don't think they float because they're not on the thing.
No, it should be a little bearing thing in there, I believe. Could be having a bearing. These is hard, see?
Big ass wheels.
Got the Ruchi.
Ruchi for your coochie. Didn't I get that from you?
You get that from me.
Bro, this is a big ass wheel.
It is though. Got the steering wheels too.
Oh yeah.
Oh god, they got the wraps in here. And it's heavy as heck. The certs? These are certs. These are certs. SRTs. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah. I want to.
Disrespectful kids these days, bro.
You're not my dad, nigga. Oh,
this one.
What?
You're not my dad!
This one. What? So how we doing? Night hop.
Another truck hawk.
Are you serious right now, bro?
What should we get for the hawk? You feel me? What should we get for the hawk? I'm looking at these all black 4Gs right here, and they kind of.
You know what these?
I wouldn't get those though.
But that's way too big for the hawk.
I wouldn't. I mean, I'd get like a smaller. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't.
Be different.
That's just to get on my nerves. If y'all interested, here y'all go. 34s on here, I'm sorry. Y'all want a Mercedes with tray 4s on there. Got the Tierra grill inserts. Tierra back plates, I believe that might be Tierra. I don't know. Custom magenta paint job. Look at that. Clean, man. Clean. There's a lot. Yeah, I see inside there. Got the custom inner, custom magenta seat, leather, suede material, 1-2 combo. Yeah, man. Got the music in there. You can see the music in the doors. What's in the trunk? Can you see in the trunk? There's a sub box back there. Y'all can't see back there though. I can see. Look like the door unlocked. I wanted to try to open it, but then again I didn't. I said it looked like the it ain't open. It just looked like it. But yeah, man, y'all bring the coast to coast wheels in Jacksonville, man. Y'all can top that for 25 bands. Yeah, this shit high as heck. That's the MK. Oh, damn, this bitch got bullet holes.
Oh, damn.
Oh, shit. That's why you need a new wheel. You was running from them boys. Cause they was hitting you with that wop wop.
I want to mess with the smoke, dog. And who is that?
It ain't them niggas that act hard. It's the ones that put.
Damn.
That wop wop was going in there.
Damn.
Oh, shoot. The window, too. Oh, that was missing, though. That was missing. They ain't got no real aim. Yeah. It hit up the passenger side, though. I think that's it.
You look at what came out of on the door.
Oh, yeah.
That's scary.
Dang. Well, they got that fire.
They didn't get hit though. There ain't no blood in the car.
No, I was saying they ain't hit nobody. They missed. They hit some stuff though. They hit the car. I think he probably cracked the wheel getting away. Maybe. Oh y'all, we gotta get this thing unloaded, man. So he can get these little crusty ass wheels put on. I don't know why he think they look good. Alright, I can't do two things like this at once, so I'm gonna put y'all down. And yeah, I'll be with y'all in a second. Give me a second.
I did good on this.
This is so damn good. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Do y'all do like cuts in here too? Y'all do all of it. Brakes, fabrication, suspension,
Everything.
all that. Y'all get the full service over here. You said what?
I said 30s.
Your hole. Hold on. Let me stop.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh man, it feel like money.
You said what?
It feel like money.
It feel like money.
Man, that's a motivation right there.
Oh yeah. That's hard, bro.
And the wheel, like, it's not too big, it's not too small. Like,
It's perfect.
like
25, right? No, yeah. 25 bands. It's 25 bands, right?
Oh yeah, 25 bands. For everything, like the wheels, tires, everything.
Yeah. That's crazy. Well, yeah, that worked. Put them in the bag.
Fishing now.
Hey.
You don't get no better than that.
That's fact. That's why I told him to come on over to Coast to Coast Customs, man.
I'm gonna move back. All right. Oh, he got that money bag in there. You see that digital? That's that money bag in there. That's how you get 2K.
I know. Busted.
Yes. He thinks I'm a drug dealer.
It took him 2 years to make it louder. He ain't doing that. Say what?
And my boy Danny, shut up.
Wow. I'm gonna give you a bad rap. That's your hard, dog.
That's how you do it.
Me money longer than Hope Road. Put this spaceship in a sports mode. Y'all Black Friday. See me haters, them a pressure me go apply them. Me a thick body girl in a Black Friday. Try this kitty the side, go check me new project. Designer full with new cassette. Yeah, Prada be Prada, Gucci me Gucci. Y'all see me now.